Hey guys, this is Sweets on the Boat. Today I'm going to show you how I made my own windshield door from scratch. Stay tuned and hope you like it. Let's get going. Alright guys, so this boat came with an open window and had to put this vinyl stuff in it. It was super bad, couldn't see through it, and rainwater just poured through it because of bad interface to the canvas. I'm going to redo that, going to build a real door, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. So I removed the old profile that was here that had that little slit in it to put that ugly bad thing like vinyl stuff. So remove that, the new one here. And I took a trip to my local glass shop to get the glass for the window, see if there's a match. Really close. And then I got a thicker one, laminated. It's really close too, but a little bit darker. I think I'm gonna go with this. It's gonna be a little bit lighter, and I think the transparency is better. Laminated. Laminating creates a lot of reflection. This one is a solid glass. So I'm gonna go with this one. That's green float glass 4mm. And the other one was laminated green 5.38mm. Let's go with this one. A little thinner. Pretty happy with that. But first I need to finish my frame. Alright guys, what I just did was to put some industrial strength, super strong, two-sided tape, foam tape. I think it's gonna hold pretty good, but I'm gonna have to put some screws on it anyway. I want some screws there, but I want as few screws as possible to not to drill too much, and also keep as much room and space as possible for the glass. So I'm just gonna let that tape cure a little bit. Okay, brand new day. I have this frame that's been curing now with that double-sided super tape. Relieve the pressure, and let's head out to the boat and start measuring it up. Back at the boat, gonna check this out. Alright, so I did my measurements there. Looking pretty good. Take my pieces back to the workshop, put them together, come back, make some more adjustments if I need to, and then order the glass that's going to be here. It's going to be almost OEM. Also with double-sided tape and some extra screws here that I'll flush mounted inside the frame. This is gonna be super good. Get the exact measurement for that window to be perfect. So I just finalized the measurements, double check my measurements for this frame, and to be able to go to the glass shop and order my glass. Let's head over there and get this going. Alright guys, I just went to the glass people here and they're gonna give me a price and for both the glass and also for like gluing it into the frame. But my glass is now cut and hardened. I'm gonna go and pick that up and also pick up some other supplies to put that together, start finalizing. Right guys, got my new glass here and got my frame. I just put it together. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification so you don't miss out on future videos. I'll see you in the next one.